Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to reset to factory settings. This video will apply to 14th generation of Ford F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. On the main vehicle screen, you want to tap the settings button, then you will select general, and then you want to go all the way down to reset. Tap on that, and then you have a factory reset. Now I will not do it because this will delete all of my settings, but if you tap onto the information icon, resets the system to default settings. All personalization including Bluetooth devices, contacts and save navigation points will be deleted. So keep that in mind. Everything you have saved on this vehicle, even the memorized radio stations, things like that, everything will be deleted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.